This is a piano tutorial for the Beatles song, Hello Goodbye. It's in the key of G, so you only have to watch out for one black key in the melody, F sharp. I'll give you the fingering here. You're going to start with your third finger on this A, and then you're going to move your third finger down to this G, and move your third finger down to this F sharp, and your thumb on D, and it's going to be 1, 2, 4 on the G, and then you're going to move your thumb right there. So the second time you hit the G, you're going to do it with your thumb so you can get up to there. So it's fifth finger there, and then move your fifth finger up to E, and then your fifth finger on that D, your thumb on D, third finger there, 1, 2, 4, 5, like that, fifth finger like that, thumb right, second finger, 1, 2, 4, 5, like that, 1, 2, 4, 5, that gets you to the end of that phrase, and it repeats. When you do the second ending, it's fifth finger there on C, put your fourth finger on that B flat there, put your thumb on G, fourth finger on C, and then your third finger there, fourth finger on that D right there, and then it goes back to the sign and plays that again, and then at the end it's just fifth finger on C, so fifth finger on that C, fourth finger there on B flat, thumb there, and then your thumb's going to be on D, 1, 2, 4, 5, like that, same thing, 1, 2, 4, 5 on C, and then your thumb. That's pretty much it. Then you've got your chords, not too many of them here. You start on a C chord, but we're going to do it like this, G, C, and E. And I'm going to do 4 chords in a measure like this. So you got starting on C with G, C, E like that, and then going to a G chord, which is G, B, D like that, and then you got a D7 chord, D, F sharp, A, and C. E minor, that's E, G, B, and then D7 again, D, F sharp, A, and C. E minor again, E, G, B, and then D7 again, D7, and then a G, G, B, D, a C.